CJ McCombs loves to weld, and he's developing some serious job skills in the program at Fort Vancouver High School. It may end up being his career someday.
It really pays well to learn a technical skill. It doesn't even have to be welding. It can be electrician, it can be plumbing.
Today, however, CJ and his classmates aren't the students, they're the teachers.
I'm just excited to be able to help.
Their students? District maintenance employees. Some of them are newbies, and some already have welding skills, like boiler technician Sam Bowder.
A lot of the stuff I learn here will be helpful. I'll learn better skills to better serve the district, to help do some of the repairs we do. I'll be able to do it to a higher quality.
Today's curriculum is a common welding technique.
035 flux core. It is a wire that is fed through a hose with an inert gas to make sure the metal can't brittle when exposed to air.
Professional development like this saves the district money as employees expand their skill sets to do projects that would otherwise require outside contractors. It also helps students who gain a better understanding of welding by teaching techniques.
They seem to do a good job of trying to show you what they've learned, and they really seem proud of the skills that they've learned in the class.
Skills that can land students high-paying jobs once they graduate.
There aren't enough positions. I mean, all the older guys that have been doing this their whole life are, retiring now, and there's empty positions.
For guys like Sam, already in the workforce, today's lesson is an example of the lifelong learning the district promotes in its students and employees.
It's really informative. It's really a good experience.